Good morning, guys. We'll just get to it. So, all three sketches took me just over 3 minutes to capture, and um, I think even though it was not the original plan of just under or just at 3 minutes, and the fact that it's another 20 seconds, but it's a overall complete look, including neck and hair. I'm quite proud of myself and being able to capture the overall look of the original reference photo. So all three took 3 minutes 20 seconds roughly. Number three isn't my best, but I'm still happy with especially number one, number two, but more so number one. Number one and number two are the closest to the reference photo. I have utilised again good speed along with the feedback loop. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please contact me. I also use observational and geometric again. My proportions, layout, structure, and speed are all improving, which I'm delighted at, considering how where I began even a year ago. If you can have a wee look at my original videos or shorts, you'll see a big change in how I am now sketching. So yeah, I'm really happy with the overall outcome. Let me know if you are utilising these methods, what you draw usually, anything like that. I'd love to start a wee conversation, and I shall see you later.